So far, my experience has been really great. This is the first time that I've been to an industry conference like this, and I have really enjoyed getting to talk to other people at other companies and get a better idea of how other companies handle clinical trial supply. My talk was about technical support teams within IRT companies and how those groups have a lot of institutional knowledge that I think is not always utilized. And by leveraging that institutional knowledge and experience, you can actually create a lot of value for other departments within your business. I don't know that this is something that other companies are doing or that this is a trend. I would love to see it be a trend. It's kind of the opposite of a lot of AI forward initiatives that are happening. I worry that if we use AI too heavily in the support process, with AI hallucination, there's the risk of patient safety mistakes happening. And so I really wanted to drive home that having a team of human trained professionals can actually be really valuable. And I wanted to make sure that people realize that that is an avenue of value and that AI is not the only way to go for support. Absolutely, I think it tends to be. I know some companies have done a lot of layoffs, and we just see in real time that institutional knowledge disappearing, and I think that's a shame. And I think that instead of having companies lay those workers off, if we can find ways to monetize that knowledge, maybe we can prevent that in the future. And I really hope that companies start valuing the knowledge and experience their workers have and think about ways that they can get value from it. Yes, I certainly hope so, and in fact, that is one of the reasons that our company, Endpoint Clinical, started using support teams the way that they have, because we had slower study release than we expected. And so instead of letting our support team go, we really wanted to see how we could continue to get value from those employees. So they started getting involved in more different departments, in UAT, user acceptance testing, in product, helping develop things in the study go-live process. And that has been a great way to continue to get, value out of these employees who otherwise might not have as many studies to support as we would have hoped. And I hope that that trend continues in other companies. I've had a lot of really interesting conversations with clinical supply managers and obviously people in the clinical supply chain. That's given me a lot of insight into the struggles that they are facing in moving drug efficiently and really getting their timelines down, especially post-COVID when, efficiency and, value is a concern. So no one particular problem, but it's been really illuminating to hear the struggles that they face in that side of the industry. I think the main topic that I've heard being talked about in the industry is AI, and how we can utilize AI to provide value and to improve our experience, in my department with client experience. I am sure that in the next 5 years, we are going to see big leaps taken in ways that we can implement AI in every part of the process. And I at once look forward to those developments, even as I worry that if we move too fast, there might be long-ranging patient safety concerns.